Foodies, Chef Pete is here, and today we're back with our grilling series, and today I have a half a chicken I cut up. I've got a leg, I got a thigh, some wings, some chicken breast, and I also have some of the right there, which is the chicken fillet, okay? The chicken tender. So what I'm going to do before I put it on the grill is I'm just gonna quickly spray it. I'll show you different ways to do things, and you know, this is, you can do it any way you like, but you know, and then I'm gonna give it some salt, just like this. Just a little salt. I'm gonna give it some garlic, just like this, some garlic. There we go. And then I'm gonna give it some oregano. So our chicken gets a little oregano on it. And we'll add some more once we get it on the grill, and some Italian seasoning, right? We'll get some Italian seasoning going here. A little Italian seasoning. There we go. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, that means that the grill is now hot, is I'm gonna get them over here, and I'm gonna take them like this and turn them over so that it gets right on there, just like that. And here is our beautiful fillet in a couple. I try to cut everything, everybody, so that it's usually about the same size. If it isn't, I make sure it is. And then I have over here some of this beautiful yellow pepper. Oh, these are beautiful peppers. Let's get these on there. Get these on here.
Boy, I can smell the chicken right in.
Chicken's going in?
Going good.
Okay, smells good to me. Yeah, it all smells good to me. Okay, we got some red pepper now. We're getting colorful, everybody. All right? Okay. So we got our red peppers going, we got potatoes going. Oh, I've got a little bit of this cabbage here. Let's put some cabbage on there. Make a good vegetable mix. Well, use what you got in the house, right? And then let's just get that right on top, just like that. All right. A little more olive oil, I think. All right, so somebody's gonna say, "Gee, Chef Pete, you haven't given it any seasoning." Well, yes, I am. Absolutely. How about some lemon pepper today? Let's just cross right through it like this. Little lemon pepper. There we go. And let's get some salt on it. Alrighty, and some oregano. But you use what seasonings you guys like. Everybody uses different. Alright, there we go. Okay, so things are cooking good. Let's take a look at our chicken. I think I need it here. I got it. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, we're looking good. I'm gonna keep turning them. Oh yeah, we're looking really good. Flip him over. There we go. Chicken breast. Everything's getting nice color on it, right? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Isn't that nice? Look at this, everybody. Beautiful chicken cooking. Okay. We're going to let this get browned real good on this side, and then what I'm going to do to help our chicken along is I'm going to cover it with one of our grill covers. Okay, and let's just get this out of my way here. Alrighty. And I think, how are we looking at? Is that, maybe let's give it just a little drizzle more on there. It'll be delicious. Look at that. Oh boy, huh? And this is looking good here. Let me see. we're looking good here, everybody. Veggies are good. Meat is good. I've got potatoes buried under here. I've got cabbage, peppers, squashes, onions. Everything is good here. Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do, everybody, is we're going to let this brown on the other side, get good grill marks over there on our chicken. And then I'm going to cover it, put the lid on top of it, and let it steam its way to finish up. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm mixing things up on our veggies, and then I'm going to put the lid on that, and we're going to steam it and get it cooked through. Okay, so what did I do today? Before we leave, whoop, that one almost fell. I took half a chicken, I cut it up, I just put it on with a little olive oil, and I used Mediterranean, Italian, Greek, garlic, salt, pepper, lemon, pepper over here on this side where the veggies are, and I drizzled it with extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, okay? You don't have to use olive oil. You could use canola oil. You could use any kind of oil you like to get a little oil going here. But the bottom line is, we're cooking him up, and we will come back and show you how this all cooks up after a little time has elapsed. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. As always, wishing you the best. Thanks for sharing, liking, and subscribing. So this is Peter Carpizzo's Kitchen, part of Heal, Eat, and Teach. And if you haven't gone to healeatandteach.com yet, go over there, 1L, healeatteach.com, and I've got pictures there that you can click on. Anthony has made a beautiful page of these grills and the slow cookers and pressure cookers and just Ninja Creamies, and you can look at the products on Amazon to get an idea of what these things look like from the technical standpoint. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's wishing you the best. As always, we'll see you back and show you how this finishes up. Out.